Hi everyone, my name is Amy, and along with me are my daughters Amber,
Hi.
Ashley,
Hi.
Allie,
Hi.
and this is Brownie's Birdhouse. Wait, we're forgetting something. This is Buddy. He's our 1-year-old cockatiel. He is cinnamon pearl, I think. I don't know. What do you guys think? Should be a comment. Let me know what type of bird you might think this is.
Yeah.
But we did have him DNA tested, and he is a male. And I had to tame him down. When we first bought him, he was very wild, and I got him tamed down enough to where he'll perch on my finger a little bit. On our channel, we're going to follow Buddy's progress, and we're going to share with you the things that Buddy does and my personal experiences with him. And I will be sharing with you some personal tips that I have about how I tamed him down.
Good boy.
Good job, Buddy. This is actually the first time Amber is holding him, and he is eating real close to her hand. I'm going to introduce you to Mo and Emma. Hi, Emma. There's Emma. And Mo is in the back there. These are my bonded pair of white-faced cockatiels. And hopefully in the springtime, we should have some baby chicks. And right over here is their nesting box. So stay tuned for more of Emma and Mo. So you won't see me handle Mo and Emma very much. They are still wild, mainly because there are breeders and I don't like to mess with them when they have eggs or anything. So hopefully by the spring we could start filming their egg process and hatching the eggs and our baby chicks. So we are looking forward to sharing with you our experiences in the birdhouse.
Welcome to Brownie's Birdhouse.
Birds, you can disturb them. Bye. Subscribe to our channel. You're going to love it.
Yes, you are. Bye.
Wow, we are excited to start sharing with you, our viewers, our cockatiel experience.
Mom, don't you have a tip for the day?
Tip of the day. Oh, yeah. Okay, I got one. When you first purchase your bird and bring them home, set them up in a room where your family is mostly at. And social distance your kids at least 6 feet away for at least the first 1 to 2 weeks. Allow your bird to get used to their surroundings rather slowly. And all you need to do is give them fresh food and fresh water every day, and change their paper at the bottom of their cage every day, and try not to interact with them. Thank you for watching our video. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you can get the full cockatiel experience from Brownie's Birdhouse.